Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 45 of building the 1966 TV series Batmobile. This issue, we're starting on some engine work again. No, wheels. Not doing much of a build on this one, but we're going to continue with the wheel for a couple of issues, and then we're going to attach it. Looking at episode 45, because this is issue 45, The Clock King's Crazy Crimes. The Clock King. Don't know the Clock King. Not somebody that I'm familiar with. But yeah, there we go. Batburger. No, don't want a Batburger. Yep, okay. Dark Knight's Metal. Not sure about that either. Then back to Year by Year and Batman in 79. Character development thing. Dealing with loss and death by the looks of it. There we go. All of that. Then the Batman family. Girl, Robin, the Demon. Batmite. No Batmite or the Demon. I'm aware of the other two though. So yes, the car parts in this issue. We begin assembly of the second rear wheel, the fourth wheel, the final wheel. All we're doing is putting it together like that. It's not really much to do, but yeah, really not a build. There we go. These parts come apart if held upside down, so yeah, don't do that. But as well as the build that we're not really going to be doing, we do have another folder to assemble, which is not really a folder, more of a binder as such. It's just a slipcase. That's the word I was looking for. So it just sort of folds open and then folds down. There are numbered bits, so fold that one down first, then the two sides, and then the bottom bit folds up and pushes in like that, and that will all hold together thusly. This is the third such binder. I don't know, they obviously keep giving me numbers throughout all of it. They'll keep giving me numbers and numbers and numbers. So looks like there's probably going to be 6 of them. But this is the third one. So I shall put a number 3 in that circle there. And this is ready for the magazines to start slotting into. I haven't filled up the second one, but then again, I didn't fill up the first one either. So I'm going to put, I think, 20 in each. That makes 120, which is what I think there are going to be in this series. So, yeah. Let me clear this out of the way, and we'll get this wheel assembled. Not much of a video, but we'll do it. Yeah, so we've got 2 parts. We've got a plasticky chrome part and a metally interior part. Yeah, they basically go together a bit like that. But if you turn them upside down, they'll come apart, mostly. So yes, that's all we've got to do for now. I shall put that aside. We're going to end up obviously putting the tyre in and then putting the other side on. I think it's going to take us another couple of issues to build this wheel. Not much to do, but as I've always said about Partworks, don't look at each individual issue as being worth the money. There are always going to be issues that are not much happening in them, and there's going to be other issues when there's lots of things happening. So don't think, is this worth the £10-11 that a single issue costs? No, it isn't. But you're not buying an individual issue. You're buying a subscription to the whole thing. So always work out if the whole thing is worth it to you or not, and work on that fact rather than individual parts. So I shall see you next time when there's not a lot to do again, I think, but more than this time. See you soon. Bye bye for now.